All right guys, so what's up? I'm coming to you with another DIY Honda repair tip, trick, whatever you want to call it. So if you look here on this Honda Odyssey, the brake lights stay on, all right? So I'm going to show you how to fix that if your Honda has the brake light staying on. So you look here in the floorboard, we got these pieces, and I'm willing to bet that you probably do too, somewhere in your floorboard. So those go to the pedal stopper, which on this one, this is your brake switch, and there's a hole in the pedal right beneath it, right here, where my finger's at. So what you need to do is go to the auto parts store and get this. So I'll show you what we do, and that's the part number. All right, so open up your little packaging, take the white one, all right, and you'll push the brake pedal down by hand. If you can kind of see what I'm doing there. Pushing the brake pedal down by hand, and I'm putting this white piece into that hole, and it clips in. You can see the white piece there now, and when you let it go, it pushes your switch again, and if you look back here, brake lights are off. See, I told you that was a quick and simple fix. Piece of cake. And also, if you would like to get the OEM part, I can leave the part number down in the description. So if this video is helpful to you, please leave a like, throw me a comment, let me know how it helped you. And as always, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you on the next one. Peace.